Information is everywhere, but wisdom is hard to find. And in the midst of confusion, noise, and shifting beliefs, Paul reminds Timothy and us to stay grounded in the truth of God's Word.
Committed.
Giving the control of my life fully to the Lord.
Goes to Rain Anya Beatriz Toribio, Silas Luis T. Serapito, and concern.
Bearing one another's burdens with great affection and admiration.
Goes to the college students, Cirilla Ruiz and
Understanding and accepting that God has provided everything I need for adjusting to circumstances around me.
Carl Enzo A. Galinga and Samantha M. Saltu. Courageous.
Demonstrating that God is with me, giving strength and firmness of character, enabling me to endure any trial or danger. Or a task from a different point of view.
Moses Johan. Determined.
Purposing to accomplish God's best regardless of the opposition.
Elise Adriel D. Huevo and Andre Joaquin G. Manuel. Diligent.
Seeing a task as a special assignment from the Lord and doing everything to complete it.
Maria Francesca Athena Agtuig.
Us, it all belongs to Him.
Daniel Claire C. Salo.
Responding tender-heartedly to the needs of others. Possible by faith in His death, burial, and resurrection for me.
Evelyn Scott C. Gingon.
He demonstrates the trait of being supportive and willing to assist others.
Elias.
Dealing righteously, showing what is right and proper to the Lord and others.
Lisha T. Laustristica.
Showing a genuine, harmonious attitude towards others.
Goes to Michaela Vicarel E. Manan. Loving.
Having a godly affection for Jesus Christ, His Word, and those He brings into my life to serve. Reflecting my commitment to a person or cause, including time of adversity.
Jacob Carl R. Kilingay.
Yielding everything to God, including the results and thought or self.
Eliza Ray Subastil. Prince Jerry S. Alzander. And Micah C. Escobar. Obedient.
Submitting complete control of my life to Jesus Christ, so He controls all my words, actions, and deeds.
Goes to Ezekiel P. Berilla.
Controlled and regulated by Jesus Christ, so my life is peaceful rather than chaotic.
Cyrus J. P. Olivar. And Rhea J. P. Alves. Perseverance.
Withstanding stress, the attacks of time and circumstance to accomplish God's best.
Goes to Itael Mican C. S. Servento and Joaquina Amy D. Rodriguez.
Motivating and directing others to see issues from God's point of view.
Kylie Arabella and Flores. Purple Truthful.
Resolving to accomplish a long-range goal and allowing this goal to determine my daily progress.
Goes to the following students: Isha Yuin B. Huevo, Ivy Giselle Tinos Pristica, and Kyle Andre L. Flores. Resourceful.
Capable and ready to undertake projects that others would overlook or discard.
Dayan Crizel B. Utalan. Respectful.
A feeling of deep respect and honor mixed with wonder, awe, and love for the person that God is using in my life to produce the character of Christ in me.
R.G. James H. Panoglo.
A light on eternal things which cannot fail or be lost.
Elijah Rafael S. Cervento. Steadfast.
Perfect on doing God's will and resolving to accomplish it regardless of circumstances or human frailties.
Kishin O. Naran and Marcus P. Submissive.
An inward attitude of yielding to the authority of another.
Enrique B. Eusebio II. Thorough.
Knowing what will reduce the effectiveness of my work if neglected, but doing all that should be done to accomplish it.
Goes to Maxine Isabel. The last but not the least, tolerant.
Accepting others and willing to endure their beliefs and actions with which I do not agree.
Goes to the following students: Cassidy Bennett C.